Yes, properties we have seen, right? So now wait a minute. Competitive over identity over predictions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, identity properties over, right?
Sir, I didn't attend your last class, sir.
Swishma,
Sir.
we have to discuss inverse property, or is it also over?
Sir, your voice is louder. Sorry, ginpadatlet, sir.
Is it okay now? Yeah, okay. Inverse property we have seen. Vijay,
కొంచెం loud గా
Vinay.
Sir,
Yes, Nana.
sir, additive identity and multiplicative identity, sir.
Yeah, that is over, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, today we are going to discuss about inverse property. Inverse property we have to discuss. See, suppose A into B is equals to 1 in addition, and A plus B is equals to 0 in addition. This is in multiplication, and this one is in addition. Then A comma B are inverse to each other. A into B is equals to 1, A plus B equals 0. Suppose in addition, it must satisfy A plus B is equals to 0. In multiplication, A into B, there is no inverse property in division as well in subtraction. Okay, we'll see here. Suppose if you take A is equals to 2, substitute in this equation. So 2, right? 2 plus B is equals to 0. So here this 0 is nothing but additive identity, and here 1 is multiplicative identity. Okay, so 2 plus B is equals to, then what is the possible B value to make this to get this identity, additive identity? What is the possible B value? That is nothing but B is equals to -2. If you substitute, what becomes Nana? B2 plus of, in place of B I am substituting -2. Then what we get? 2 minus 2, which is obviously 0, right? Isn't it? So what I am telling is, if this is A and B must be minus A. If it is A is equals to 2, B must be -2. Did you get that? Once again, if A is equals to 2, B must be -2. Suppose if A is equals to 3, then what is B? -3. In addition, I am telling, we are discussing about now only in addition, no, right? If A is equals to 3, B is equals to -3. If A is equals to 4, B is equals to -4. Then only addition of those two numbers gives us 0, which is additive identity, right? Isn't it? Did you get that, Nana? Yeah. So therefore here A and B are inverse to each other, inverse to each other, where B is equals to minus A, where B is equals to minus A. Okay, A and B are inverse to each other, but B is nothing but minus A. So that is A comma minus A are inverse to each other. In which operation, Nana? Addition. So what we can write in detail, if A is a rational number, if A is a rational number, minus A is the inverse to A. Okay, suppose if you take A is equals to 5, then what is inverse, additive inverse? Then additive inverse of A is, 5 is additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Suppose if you take A is equals to minus 6, then additive inverse of minus 6 is what is that, Nana? 6 reverse. For plus 6, minus 6 is the additive inverse. For minus 6, plus 6 is the additive inverse. Sir, can we take only 6, 5, 6 or 5, 6, 7 and 8 so on like that? No, we can take in PYQ form also, no problem. Suppose if you take A is equals to 1 by 2, then what is additive inverse? What is additive inverse? No, nothing but minus 1 by 2. Okay, suppose if you take minus 9 by 5, then what additive inverse? 9 by 5. Okay, this is about additive inverse property. Additive, in addition we discussed till now. Okay, then coming to multiplication. See, A into B is equals to 1, right? A into B. Here this one is multiplicative inverse. Okay, right? So here A comma B are multiplicative inverse to each other. Multiplicative inverse to each other. Okay, yes, Nana. So here A comma B are multiplicative inverse to each other. See, Nana, what is a multiplicative inverse of A? Nothing but A is equals to 1 by B. A is equals to 1 by B, right? Isn't it? Did you get that? Yeah, we shall see some examples. So here B is nothing but 1 by A. B is nothing but 1 by A. So A comma 1 by A are multiplicative multiplicative inverse to each other. A comma 1 by A are multiplicative inverse to each other. Okay, suppose if A is equals to 2, you take, what is the multiplicative inverse of 2? Multiplicative inverse of 2, multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, then if A is equals to 2 by 3, then what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3? Yeah, multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. How it becomes 3 by 2? We shall see. 2 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 2 by 3, that is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Then what is the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 5? 5 by 4. Mi is nothing but multiplicative inverse, not Redmi. Mi, multiplicative inverse, it's not Redmi mobile. Okay, 3 by 5 is equals to, what is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5? Yeah, 5 by 3. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 2? Minus 2 by 1, nothing but minus 2 only. Suppose what is the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 5, which is nothing but minus 5 by 9. We keep minus always to the numerator only. Okay, right? Yeah. Any doubts, Nana? You can ask if anybody is having a doubt. Unmute and talk to me. Krishnasri, back to home or no? Still now you are in roaming. Yes, any doubts? What is the strength? 23. Yes, Nana. No doubts? Yes. Vinay Kumar. Yes, Vinay.
సార్ ఒకసారి అన్ని చూపించండి సార్, నోట్స్ రాసుకుంటాం. స్క్రీన్ షాట్.
మొన్న కూడా చెప్పిన డౌట్ అడుగుమని, నేను ఎట్లా స్క్రీన్ చూపిస్తా, అర్థమైందా? స్క్రీన్ ఎట్లా చూపిస్తా, నేను డౌట్ అడుగుమని చెప్పిన. నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఎనీవే, ఇంకా నన్ను ఎవరైనా? So how many of you joined from practical app? Jana, please raise the hands. How many of you joined from practical app and how many are joined through Zoom link? You are joined from practically or Zoom? Zoom or practically? Practically app. So remaining all the people, Shivatmika. Shivatmika, unmute.
Zoom, sir.
Why, Nana? Don't you have practically app user ID and password?
Sir, రావట్లేదు సార్.
ఏం చేసినావు చెప్పు ఒకసారి. ఏం రావాలి నీకు ఒకసారి చెప్పినావు. ఏం రాలేదు నీకు?
ఎన్రోల్డ్ అని వస్తుంది సార్.
ఎన్రోల్డ్ అని వచ్చినప్పుడు అక్కడ మై స్కూల్ అని క్లిక్ చేసినావా?
క్లిక్ చేయలేదు సార్.
ఎందుకు చేయలేదు? ఎవరిని అడిగినావా? పోనీ ఎవరిని అడిగినావా టీచర్ అని?
మా అక్క ఉంది సార్, ఆమె చెప్పింది ఇట్లా క్లిక్
టీచర్
చేయండి.
అడిగినావా? Did you ask him?
అడగలేదు సార్.
Then whose problem is that? You have to call and ask, right?
Yeah, sir.
Then make a call to your class teacher or any other teacher and learn that. So Dixit, start your video and I will check your notes on Saturday, Nana. I will check your notes on Saturday. You must submit your pair notes, homework notes and running notes on Saturday. You must come along with running these books. I will inform you later. Okay. I'll send a message about this
Okay, sir.
corrections. Okay. You must submit your notes on Saturday. We have a correction session on that. Okay. Fazil, unmute. I told you to unmute, not to stop your video. Priya Madhavi,
Sir,
what is the multiplicative inverse of -2?
-2, sir. My 1, sir.
Multiplicative
Mul-
inverse of -2, I told. I asked you.
-1/2, sir.
-1/2. Bhavyasri, what is the multiplicative inverse of 3?
Multiplicative inverse.
Multiplicative inverse of 3.
Sir, multiplicated inverse of 3 by
Mahaviz Naz. Those who didn't start their video, just definitely I will remove you from the meeting. Fazil, I'm removing you. Yeah. Afra, just now you joined, I think. You just now you joined, right? Krishna ji, start your video. To whom I asked? Mahaviz Naz.
Sir,
What is the multiplicative inverse of -3/2? If you stop your video, definitely I will remove you from the meeting, Nana. Remember, Mahaviz Naz. Where is she? Mahaviz Naz. Removed, I think. Okay, she left. Yeah, okay. Sriram,
sir,
did you understand multiple inverse and additive inverse?
sir,
Did you understand the multiplicative inverse and additive inverse concept?
understand, sir.
Yeah, can I ask you some questions?
Yes, sir.
What is the multiplicative inverse of 1/3? Did
Sir,
you write? Yes.
sir,
Did you write the notes?
sir, take screenshot.
Those who are didn't start their video, definitely I will remove from the meeting. Mahaviz Naz. Mahaviz
Sir.
Naz, unmute once.
Screenshot this question.
You, Afra. Sham Lohit, I'm removing you from the meeting. Manikanta, I will remove you if you didn't start your video. Yeah, Sriram, what is the answer?
Sir, screenshot this question, sir.
Then what I am asking you, where's your notes? You have to write a running point in running notes, right?
Yes, sir.
Simply you're taking, okay, you take screenshots, but you have to maintain running notes, right?
Maintaining, sir.
And then then why didn't you give the answer? Next. Sham Lohit. Unmute. Sham Lohit, unmute. Asna. Make it fast.
6 plus 6 plus minus 6 is equals to 0. This is for additive inverse, example of additive inverse.
Okay.
And for minus 6 by 2, multiplicative inverse is minus 2 by 6. Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay. This is the multiplicative inverse example. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, no. Okay, very good. Yes, no, no.